Hello, I'm Ken Cawthorn with Bettear. I'm the VP GM for the Americas. I want to welcome you to InfoComm 2026. Here at Bettear, we bring quality audio to individual hearing devices through Auracast, which is a Bluetooth native Auracast stream. I want to talk to you about a new product that we have at the show. It's the pod. I've mentioned in previous videos our Bcaster and our Bpass, the access panel and the broadcaster. This pod is those two products combined in one device. This allows you to have desktop capability or wall mount in a smaller room where you tap the QR code or the NFC, near field communication, get access to a particular stream that's streaming, and then also do the broadcasting up to 100 meters within the room. So this product combines two things, two products in one, for many, many more applications where this can be deployed. Very exciting new product. I want to welcome you to InfoComm. It's been phenomenal being able to be with you on this video, short video, so you could hear a little bit more about Bettear.